So these are all empties. Everything that I've used and I threw in a bag and then I'll recycle after I do this video. So I've been keeping them to show you, but somebody told me that I should do this video and I should talk as fast as I can. So I'm gonna try doing that like we're at an auction and we're like, here we go, I got the, you know, like that. So here we go. Amino acid conditioner from Kiehl's. It's one of my favorites. It smells like coconut. Oh, it smells like vacation. It leaves your hair silky smooth. I love that it comes in this big bottle. It's for all hair types and I'm obsessed with it. Yes! See, empty. Then I really love this. This is the Skin Worship Vibrational Skincare Cleansing Ritual. Smells like eucalyptus. Smells like clean skin. Smells like a spa. I can't get enough of it. I didn't even want to throw this away because it's so pretty, but I love it. I love it. It has healing and regenerative frequencies that have been programmed into it and take me to your leader, Skin Worship. I can't throw this, it's glass. Jow Refresher, not just for hands, it's for everyone, and there's none left because I use it all the time, almost every day. Jow! Efface de mes quilles du visage et à toutes peu. Gentle makeup remover for face and eyes, all skin types. From Sisley, there's none left, there's none left. I love this stuff, it's amazing, it's fancy, it's a little expensive, but I love it, and I'm gonna toss it, even though I love you. Here we're back again with Skin Worship. Oh, there's something spilled, but this is the dewdrops and I can't get enough of this. Oh, there was one left. How lucky am I? It's an oil and it smells like life and love and everything fabulous in this world, and it leaves your skin really hydrated, and it's not that expensive for an oil. I think it's like $45. Can't throw it because it's glass. Next we have Patchology. There's nothing left but a spoon for your ice cream. Just kidding, you use this to take off all of the patches. They come, this is turning into a musical, but I'm gonna go with it. They come layered, and then you take one off and you put it here, and then you close this, and you don't have to like do anything else. That's all you gotta do, that's all you gotta do, that's all you gotta do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Superhero. You know, I've had this for a very long time and it looks like it's not done, but I can tell it's done because you can tell when it's done when it has a little smell, or if it dry, or if you've been using it for more than 3 months, you should probably toss it out. That's not good for your eyes. God, who's gonna clean up this mess? So, hi, Beauty Counter Color Pinch. And this is all I have left. There's none left. It won't go up anymore. Oh, cream blusher from Beauty Counter in caramel. You're my favorite nude in the land. And you're done, and you're done, and you're done. And then this guy's done from MAC named Bamboo. It's a cream blush, and I love you, Bamboo. Kandee Johnson from Too Faced. They did a collab and now there's nothing left. Oh, there's a little left. There's a teeny bit left, but I use so much of it and it smells so good. It's a Candy Glow Luminizer from Kandee and Too Faced. There's a little left, so I'm not gonna toss that one. Tata Harper, very charming is the color's name, and that's all that's left, and that's really not enough to keep, but I loved it, and it was good to me, and it'll be good to you. And same with Very Naughty is the other color, more of a red, more naughty. That's from Tata Harper. And then from Makeup Forever, yeah, I said it, Makeup Forever. It's an HD high definition cream blush, and I'm having trouble opening it, but that's it. This was number 310, very universal, really, really pretty, has a mirror on it. It closes like that. And then Stila, my favorite. This is Lilium, one of my faves. It's a super pretty nude, and you should have it too. And then there's this one, Peony, not Peony. Peony's out. And the last one is Stila, convertible color in Sweet Pea, baby. Oh, bye, bitch, bye, bitch, bye, bitch, bye. Those are my empties, and I'm gonna cry, because that means I have to go spend more money on thy. But it's okay, because I have a LaCroix. Bye, bitch.